Hey there, Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to do an OTB Thinker thing. Just a quick tip. I have when I'm laying out lines and using a regular flat ruler, which, you know, we all do it all the time. Using your ruler sometimes can be kind of a pain. What happens is you put it down, you want to scribe a line, so you hold your piece, and as you start to move it, it moves on you. It's hard to hold everything pretty steady sometimes. But I figured out that I took a little piece of angle iron and I put crazy glue on a magnet and put it on there. So now I can take my steel ruler and put it on there. Now I have a way to hold this. I can actually read this much better now. So when I'm ready to mark this thing, I can actually take this and I get much more accurate mark than when it's laying flat and I'm trying to line that up. It makes it much easier. So makes using this thing. Plus, if I'm actually scribing a line, I want to come through here and let's say cut it, I can lay this down. This holds so much more sturdy by holding it like this, and that now it really is much harder to move it than when I'm holding it flat with two fingers. So this really works nice. Just a simple magnet and a piece of angle iron. I liked it so well that I made its big brother. This one's 11 inches long and has two magnets on it. That way, I can do the same thing with my 24-inch or my 12-inch ruler now, and I have the same thing. So I can put it this way, and I can read it and hold it where I want it. Once I get it in place, everything is held down, doesn't move on me. So it's easy to scribe a line or to mark a line. Or, again, so magnet and an angle iron. It really works great. You got to try it. And it doesn't really cost much of anything. The other thing I might tell you is that sometimes some people don't like steel rulers, and if you have a wood ruler, not a problem. Instead of aluminum, just get a steel angle iron and then take and drill little holes into here and put your magnets in your work, either from the top without it coming all the way through, or it's some way, just get magnets on there, and then this will hold on there because it has the magnets. So you can do it with regular wood rulers too if you want. But using this setup really does. Sometimes it makes it so much easier. I don't use it all the time, but well, when I use it, it's wonderful. Give it a try. Anyway, if you have any ideas or comments about what I have here and how I did this, or better ways to make it better, leave them in the comments. We all would like to hear about it. If you like this video or you learned something here, hit that like button. Most importantly, though, please come back again because I'm nowhere near done. Thanks. We'll see you again soon.